Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how to import and edit two-dimensional design files in Makera CAM. 2D files, formerly referred to as vector graphics in Makera CAM, are flat design files that can be imported in both SVG and DXF file formats. You can import a two-dimensional file either by clicking on the 2D layers and then selecting Import Graphic and then selecting your 2D model that you'd like to import, or you can use the tools in the File menu to import a 2D model, or the buttons here on your top toolbar to import a 2D model, again, either in SVG or DXF format. After importing a 2D file like this, it's very easy to select a part of your 2D file or select the entire file, and then use your selection to create toolpaths. And we have a wide range of 2D toolpaths that you can select from this menu that we dive deeper in some other videos. For example, I can easily select something and create a contour cut for the outer perimeter of this design, where you'll see that now I of course have my design and I have my toolpath generated as well. When you import a 2D file like this, you may import aspects of your design that you do not want. So you can also select individual components of your design and then delete those graphics as well if you'd like. And Makera CAM also offers some simple create tools if you would like to create some basic shapes, like creating simple holes or creating rectangles to add to the 2D graphics within the design too. You can also easily transform your 2D graphics. So using the transform menu, it's easy to grab your design and move it or quickly align it to the stock. You can also easily rotate the graphic, scale it if you'd like to change the size after importing it, and also mirror it, which is handy because oftentimes when you import graphics, they come in reversed. So it's very easy to mirror a graphic after importing it in Makera CAM. Now, 2D design files are just one type of file that you can work with in Makera CAM. You can also import different types of 2D design files like images or PCBs, as well as three-dimensional models, all of which we look at deeper in our other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.